right, we're getting a breaking update as Novak Djokovic's visa that has now been cancelled by Australia's immigration minister. This is the world tennis number one, Djokovic, who had taken to court. And as far as he was waiting to hear whether Australia will cancel his visa for the second time or not, it has come across as a threat to his bid for a major record in the 21st major tennis title that he was to play. And this was an impending decision to cancel his visa over COVID-19 entry regulations that has been set up by the second court battle by the Serbian tennis star. And the court earlier also had quashed the revocation and had released him from immigration detention. But it seems, Shaurya, who is joining us at this point, troubles continues as far as Djokovic is concerned, Australia cancelling his visa.
This is a big setback for the world number one and 20-time major winner Novak Djokovic, whose visa has been cancelled by the immigration minister. Now, this particular decision has been coming as a sole discretion of the Australian government, which had lost its case against the world number one in the court, after which his visa was reissued after the cancellation by the border officials in Australia. Now, Novak Djokovic applied for an exemption to come to Australia so that he can play in the Australian Open. Now, this is a big setback for Novak Djokovic because he was bidding for the 21st Grand Slam. And with this particular decision to not get vaccinated has been under severe criticism from his peers, the worldwide medical experts and the Australian government itself. But in this situation, no one is looking right because he can also appeal this particular decision and his immediate deportation has not been ordered. But for now, the Australian Open that starts from 17th of this week will be a big setback for Djokovic because just yesterday he was seeded number one in the tournament and he was supposed to play on the 17th. Back to you.